going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is an exciting day, but also kind of a sad one. Madeleine is leaving to go to Prague for 2 months. Sad boy 2022. It's crazy to say it. It's 2022 already. This came today. This is a GoPro Hero 10. I actually haven't used this one yet. We're gonna shoot some stuff in today's video with this and give it a good test, because next week I'm gonna be using it on the top of a wind turbine. I have to also make some progress on the bikes while she packs. What I need to do is remove all of the paint from my frame. I need to make it look pretty like Madeleine's. You saw it in the last video. It's all sanded, nice and pretty. Anyways, let's get into it. First things first, I gotta switch this out for this. Then we get to start trying to strip that paint. All right, wow, that was a lot of work, but it's looking really good. Let me show you. Do you see it? So, yeah. Next steps, I need to finish sanding pretty much all the parts are here. So after I clear coat it, then it'll just be the easy part, reassembling everything, and then we'll have some pretty cool bikes.
I'm excited.
You're excited?
Yes, I hope they're going to be nice people, and yeah, that I'm not getting lost in Prague.
Yes, you can pick it up.
Oh, 22 kilograms.
What do you want to get for your trip? Do you want some broccoli?
Yeah, it's like some broccoli.
Oh, I guess this is food. This is the Last Supper. Yeah, we're at our city grocery store and it's always super crazy. Been secured. Successful trip to the grocery store. Madeleine is stocked for her big trip to Prague. Now, I think we're gonna grab some dinner. So it's the next day. She has to go. I made some coffee before we leave. Yeah. After that, I have to say the big goodbye.
Yeah, I guess it's time.
It's time. This is your train, lady. All right, give me a hug. Alright, she's officially gone. She made it on the train. Kind of surreal, but it's exciting. And I'll see her soon. Anyways, I need to find my way back home and then gotta shoot some other stuff today. Alright, Valentine is here. We're gonna head to the park, see if we can't find some cool shots in the city. It is pretty nice outside, so I think it would be fun to try to grab a wheelie sequence with the new GoPro. This is the GoPro test. Let's see if we can't get some crazy wheelie shots. I'm scared. Let's do it. Turns out I can barely do a wheelie. Gotta do some practice, but I think we have like one shot in there. That concludes the video. I think we're gonna go get some Turkish food now. Boom, sauced up. I'm saucing. Tell me what you got. What do you got? You need to give me the Yufka song. Yeah.